Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You have got your feed set up in Feedly. So you are pulling in articles from all your favorite sources, but let's be honest, not every article is relevant to you. Some feeds produce way more content than you could ever read. And buried in all that noise are the gems you actually care about. That's where Leo comes in. So Leo is basically Feedly's AI research assistant, and it's designed to do one thing: help you cut through the noise. It learns what you like and what you don't like, and it automatically prioritizes the content that matters for you. But here's the key: Leo learns from you. It's not magic, it's machine learning. And the way you train Leo is by giving it feedback. When you see an article you love, you can tell Leo to find more like it. When you see an article that's completely irrelevant, it's spaced, it's basic, you don't like it, you can tell Leo to stop showing you similar content. And that's it. So, for example, you are on Feedly, you are fully logged in. Let's say you already have the latest updates, you have the upgrade, you have the Pro Plus, you have the chatbot, AI, whatsoever. And you are, for example, looking at specific folders, whatsoever. Suddenly you see something you actually don't like. So, as you see here, we saw this one, trending in check, mark as unread, add integrations. You have multiple options here. So for you guys who have the AI available, you can easily downvote by tapping on the downvote options. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.